Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by isolating hardware versus software causes. Remove the case and screen protector, then operate the display to see if pressure triggers ghost inputs. Once done, back up your data. This protects you if a reset becomes necessary. Make sure to scan recent apps and updates because a faulty app or rogue service can simulate touches. You'll act quickly now. Note if ghosting occurs on the lock screen, app drawer, or specific apps, which guides the next troubleshooting path. Boot the phone into safe mode so you can confirm whether third-party apps are causing the problem. If Ghost Touch stops, an app is the culprit. Next, clear the cache partition to remove corrupted temporary files and run any built-in display diagnostics in settings to check touch coordinates and dead zones. If diagnostics point to software, uninstall suspect apps or roll back updates one at a time, testing after each change. This pinpoints the offender while avoiding unnecessary resets or repairs. If software isolation fails, perform a factory reset. Only after backing up, this removes persistent firmware glitches. Once reset, check again. If Ghost Touch persists, inspect for physical damage, moisture, or uneven screen adhesion. Reseat connectors or replace the digitizer if you're comfortable with hardware. If unsure, record exact symptoms, frequency, and steps tried, and contact an authorized service center. This saves time and may preserve warranty. If you hit resistance during
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.